everyone, this is Pastor Megan with Travel Faithfully. I'm in Mexico City at the National Anthropology Museum. Apologies for how loud this water is, but it's very cool. I've been thinking today about how Mexico is a great example of people through centuries upon centuries upon centuries transforming from very patriarchal to like the greatest male athletes being the most important, to this place, Mexico City, being one that is now relatively known for strong females, right? We've got the Basilica of Our Lady de Guadalupe, which I visited earlier today, and the Museum of Frida Kahlo, who survived horrible, debilitating pain her whole life through polio and through a trolley accident that hit her bus. And I'm just thinking about the ways that we can use our pain and transform it into beautiful art, or to raise the consciousness of the world. And so just, if you have found yourself thinking that there are people in your family, that there are people in our world, that there are politicians who can never change and nothing's going to get better, remember this transformation that happened in Mexico. It might have taken a long time. It might have taken really strong, courageous people to bring it forth. It might have even taken miracles of people who are not alive to appear to others and inspire faith in them. But we can change. We can move forward. We can grow faithfully. I'll see you next time.